Safety, collusion, and mistreatment key factors in bail application for Samuelu Su'a. In the 3-hour-long hearing of the bail application for a high-profile witness, Samuelu aka Sam Fanaya Su'a last week, defense focused on police alleged mistreatment and collusion to ensure charges against him are proven. Sam and Sivai had already made a statement to police regarding the unresolved 3-year-old hit-and-run incident that killed a young university student at Vaitele in April 2021. In his presentation, their lawyer Fetu Langaaya was direct in saying that his client is not only being threatened by Tanumalala prison inmates, but also police mistreatment and collusion tactics to intimidate his client. The defendants have yet to enter pleas to the defamation charges against them, but are currently under police custody to await their appearance in court on Tuesday, 20th February 2024. But since the threats by inmates of his client's safety, Langaaya applied for bail. Langaaya questioned the integrity of the police investigation and the police attitude towards Sam, then explained the sequence of events on the day Sam was brought into the police station to be cautioned on the 26th of January 2024. While Sam was being cautioned, a police officer took a photo of Sam and posted it on social media, said Langaaya. He also told the court that police had lied about contacting him as counsel to be present while Sam was being interrogated on the 29th of January 2024. Police said that they contacted Langaaya but did not get a response. Langaaya, however, provided the court with evidence from the Vodafone company of the incoming and outgoing calls to his phone on the day police claimed they called him, and there was no record of such a phone call from the police. He told the court that one of the assistant police commissioners later apologized to him, saying that they, police, wrongly recorded his phone number, so they have been calling the wrong number. Another issue was the admissibility of hearsay evidence. Langaaya pointed out that prosecution had provided 3 affidavits from Police Inspector Sala Asalale. One of the affidavits was Sala'a's, and the other 2 affidavits were belonged to 2 police officers that Sala'a wrote for them. He also pointed to other prosecution evidence, including that of Marie Tusi, who is Sivai's niece, as nothing short of collusion against his client Sam. Tusi's first statement to the police was in support of Sam's evidence of the night of the hit-and-run incident, where she said she was with Sam. She corroborated Sam's evidence. Langaaya also noted that some of the people alleged to be complainants have not made any affidavits to back up their claim. He argued that the complexity of the prosecution's case is the lack of evidence to support the charges, and it was not fair for his client to remain in prison while prosecution is on a witch hunt for victims of Sam's alleged defamatory charge. Prosecutor Taimalelangile Nafo Strickland said the case between Sam, Sivai, and police is not a straightforward matter. This case is not as straightforward as it seems, and is not until we go through the information and statement provided in the report that you fully understand that there is a different version than what Samuelu has painted out there, she said. She then used one of the complainants, Tupuola Tanu Wright's reason for requesting police for a protective order against Sam. It seems Sam and Sivai had approached Tupuola several times asking him to agree and support what they had told the police. The prosecutor said the defendants even approached Tupuola's elderly mother at Siumu and urged her to ask her son to support their request. The prosecutor alleged that there are other people who have conspired collectively with the defendants, and there is an element of corroboration between the defendants and these people to defeat the cause of justice. Prosecution strongly opposed the bail application, and their concern is that if Sam is released, there is an opportunity for him to flee the country. She also pointed that the bail application should be denied due to reasons such as the possibility of Sam interfering with prosecution witnesses. He is a risk to the community, had a criminal conviction history since 2006, and had escaped twice from custody. Both counsels referred to the Section 99 and 101, bracket 3 and 4 of the Criminal Procedures Act 2016 to support their arguments. Langaaya said the court has the discretion to grant bail on the balance of probability and for the application to convince the judge. Langaaya told the court that the priority concern for his client is his safety, and they are willing to accommodate his client with any orders from the court if released. He also reminded the prosecutor of the provision in the Criminal Procedures Act 2016 under the Prohibited Departure Order that prosecution can apply to ensure Sam does not leave the country. Prosecution used Section 101, bracket 4 of the Restriction on Bail, were certain previous convictions. Presiding District Court Judge Talasa Ato Saanga will deliver her decision this week on Wednesday, 21st of February.